Shri K. Tarak Rama Rao, Honorable Minister for Panchayati Raj and Information Technology, Government of Telangana. Dr. Ajay Kumar, Additional Secretary, Department of Electronics and IT, Government of India. Mr. Sidney Frank, Consul General, Canada. Mr. Wolfgang Lenorge, Vice President, Hanover Milano Fair Limited. Distinguished colleagues on the dais, participants in CeBIT India 2015, ladies and gentlemen. I am very glad to be part of this inaugural ceremony and also to be the co-host of CeBIT India 2015. Like last year, we developed CeBIT India along the lines that at a time when India has been emerging and transforming, a country of innovation, a country of startup, and transforming towards an outsourcing nation to a startup nation, product nation, it was felt in fitness of things to join hand with Hanover Milano Fair Limited to organize CeBIT in Bangalore to leverage and maximize the benefit to our startup companies and smaller companies involved in product creation and innovation. And I would say that we have been extremely successful in those objectives with which we started working with CeBIT India 2014. Like last year, this year also, we have invited and presented exhibition space for the small companies and innovation-based companies from all across the country. And you will be glad to know then that in STPI Pavilion, we have got 100 plus startup companies selected from all across the country, from 21 states of this country, duly recommended and identified by the secretaries to the respective state governments. We have just visited before this inaugural session, and we have found that those companies, most of them are innovation-based companies, small companies, they are startups, and they are going to benefit mostly from the business visitors and from the platform that CeBIT India is going to provide to them. STPI, since its inception in 1989, has been promoting startup culture in this country, and all STPI centers have been typically the incubation centers. Of course, those days we did not work on funding support or all those things, but our centers have been plug and play with bandwidth and other support for the startup companies. And I'm very proud to inform that some of the most successful Indian IT companies have emerged and incubated from STPI premises. Right now, we have got about 3,000 registered units, exporting units, and the export in the Indian rupees is happening more than 300,000 crore in the fiscal year 2014-15. STPI operates from 54 locations of this country, and our services are well acknowledged and appreciated by the industry by and large. India, as I said, India is marching towards product nation, and therefore STPI also has repositioned itself to play a vital role, an important role in that transition, in that journey that India is undertaking. And therefore, we have decided, or we have already taken initiatives to create about 10 lakhs square feet of incubation space all across the country. Apart from that, we are also formulating an incubation policy which will also take care of angel funding support to the startups, apart from other support to them. In Bangalore itself, for ESDM ecosystem, we have started a characterization lab which is being operated by a private partner that we have selected. And the VLSI chip designers, they can get their chips tested right in Bangalore. That facility is being run by a company called Tesolve Limited, which is located in Electronic City. Apart from that, with the support of Department of Electronics and IT, we have also initiated a project called Electropreneur Park that is being run in association with Delhi University and India Electronic Semiconductor Association. This project is going to span over 5 years with the support of Indian rupees 22 crores. Will be able to support 50 startup companies during the 5 years time. And every year we will support 10 companies. We have already conducted a successful selection by eminent jury, and we have been able to pick up 10 companies for this year, which will be supported by us. Apart from that, STPI has also appointed Messrs. Infosys Limited to develop a state-of-the-art idea competition engine, and that engine and that platform will be able to provide and create collaborative mechanism for the participants from engineering colleges, those who have ideas, alongside the evaluators and mentors, and that platform is going to support the ecosystem for the innovation, for the idea thinking that India needs for its tomorrow. With this, I would thank CBIT India team and STPI Bangalore team for working together and collaborating together to make this CBIT India 2015 Bangalore happen successfully. Thank you very much.